Oh, hi there. Welcome in. Hmm? What was that? Oh, yeah, we're open. No worries. Come on in. Quickly. It's a mess out there. Huh. I knew they were calling for snow, but that's an entire blizzard. You look a little worn out and snowed on. um, if you don't mind me asking, what are you doing all the way out here at this time of night? Oh, I see. Your car broke down. Oh, man. That sucks. Oh, and this is the first place you saw. Well, yeah, we kind of are in the middle of nowhere. But lucky you, right? I mean, looking at your coat there, you seem like you've been walking for a little while. How far out did it break? A mile? At least. Uh, you're telling me you walked an entire mile to get here? Wow, I'm just happy you didn't have to walk further. Jeez, I'm kind of impressed, actually. I'm glad you're okay. Why didn't you call anyone? Oh, your phone died. Really? Jeez, you're just out of luck today. Well, here, you can use this phone that I have here, to call you a tow truck or maybe a taxi. I don't know if taxis would be working in this kind of weather. But totally, call anyone you need. They can certainly pick you up here. Yeah, feel free. Please. Holler if you need anything, okay? All right. Oh, sorry. Did you call who you need to call? Oh, they're coming? Great. I'm glad. Well, I guess that means you have to hang out here with me for a little bit. Which I totally don't mind. I've got the heat on, and you can totally shed that coat if you'd like. I mean, it's full of snow. Yeah, feel free to shake it off and warm yourself up. Oh, and also help yourself to any coffee or hot chocolate that we have. It's on me, okay? Oh, no, it's no trouble at all. Really. After all, you deserve it. For walking a mile all the way here. That is quite the feat. I'm just glad we were open. Yep, 24 hours. Guaranteed. Yeah, I'm on the night shift. Which, I don't really mind. It's quiet and they're pretty easy shifts, honestly. Yeah, it's just me here. To be honest, it does get a little scary. You're not a murderer or anything, are you? Okay, good. I mean, if you were, you probably wouldn't tell me that you were a murderer, but I just had to ask, you know? A girl cooped up in here all by her lonesome. You never know what psychos might be out there. Well, now I have you, so it's not as bad anymore. Oh, well, it's nice to meet you too. Seriously, please help yourself. No one's gonna miss it. In all truth, you're actually my first customer today. So, yay. Yeah, not many people come around here. I mean, we are kinda in the middle of nowhere, and, you know, while we're open 24/7, no one's up this late. I mostly just get truckers and road trippers looking for a late night snack. Yeah, yet here I am. Yes, even in this weather. I know, a little crazy, right? But I will say I'm glad I was here today. If not, you might be still walking and walking on forever and ever. And who knows what would happen to you? So, in other words, you make it all worth it. To be honest, if my manager were here and he had to work, don't tell him this, but he would have totally called out. Yeah. He would have made an excuse like, oh, but my family is at home waiting for me, and it's a blizzard, and what if my power goes out, and I'm not home, and yada yada, and yeah, he totally talks like that. Well, I could have called out myself, but it's not like I really have anybody to go back to, so... That's surprising? How so? Oh, because I'm pretty? Oh, you think that? Really? Oh, well, that's really sweet of you. You're pretty attractive yourself. Well, what are you doing out here? Anyway, must have been really important to be driving in this kind of weather, don't you think? Trying to get back to someone yourself, huh? Not really. So, no significant other or partner or anything like that? Huh. Well, that surprises me. Yes, I'm using your own words against you. Well, I mean, I know I haven't gotten to know you very much, but for the little time that we have spent together, I think you're a good person. How so? Well, I mean, you're obviously determined for walking an entire mile here. You're nice. You've been saying thank you ever since you got in here, so I appreciate that. And like I said, you're pretty good looking, so you've got a lot running for you. Anybody would be lucky to be with you. You think the same for me? Oh, stop it. Well, I appreciate the sentiment. You know, I don't get many people like you in here often. Yeah, I don't know. Just something about you. You're different. You're pretty special. That's just my opinion. Don't take it to heart if you don't want to. Oh, I think your ride's here. Tow truck or someone. Can't really see. It's kind of too blurry. Wow, they got here fast, huh? It's been really great, I think. I hope you... what? Oh, you, wanna see me again? Really? Well, that could be arranged, I suppose. You know where I work and when I work, so you'll come see me, right? Okay, I'll hold you to it. And I'll be waiting. Now, hurry along. You don't want to keep them waiting. Until next time, I suppose. Okay. Bye now. Oh, and, happy holidays!